Today, I'm bringing you 5 quick hacks that can take your financial future to the next level. These are easy, practical steps anyone can implement to make a huge impact. Let's get right into it. Hack number 1 is to automate your savings and investing. Why? Because automation removes human error and emotion from the process. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts, you won't even have to think about it. Whether it's a portion of your paycheck going straight into a 401k or a small monthly transfer into a brokerage account, automation helps you stay consistent. Consistency is key to building wealth over time. Hack number 2 is to choose a high-yield savings account. Many traditional savings accounts barely pay any interest, sometimes as little as 0.01%. By switching to a high-yield savings account, you can earn significantly more on your emergency fund or short-term savings. While this isn't going to make you rich overnight, every bit counts, and over time, those extra dollars can make a difference. Look for accounts offering 4% or more to really maximize the potential of your cash. Now, let's talk about the power of compound interest. This is one of the most powerful forces in the financial world. By reinvesting your earnings, you can earn interest on both your initial investment and the interest that accumulates over time. The earlier you start, the more time compound interest has to work its magic. If you invest $10,000, adding $200 a month at a 7% annual return, after 30 years, you could have over $300,000. The takeaway? Start investing now and let time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. Next up, minimizing fees. Investment fees might seem small, but they can really add up over time, eating into your returns. Whether it's mutual fund expense ratios, trading fees, or advisory fees, it all chips away at your growth. Look for low-cost index funds or ETFs with fees as low as 0.03%. And if you're paying for financial advice, consider an hourly advisor instead of paying a percentage of your assets year after year. And finally, hack number 5, minimize your taxes. Taxes can be one of the biggest expenses you face in your lifetime, but there are strategies you can use to reduce them. Contributing to tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA or 401k is a great start. And don't forget about tax loss harvesting, especially if you have investments in a taxable account. Reducing your tax burden means more of your hard-earned money stays in your pocket, and that's how you build long-term wealth. So, there you have it. 5 quick hacks to boost your financial future. These simple changes can make a huge impact over time, and the best part is, you can start right now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. And if you're looking for personalized advice, visit thehourlyadvisor.com to schedule a free consultation. Let's build your financial future together.